Hi children, good morning. How are you all? All are welcome to the English class. Today we will look at the rest of the story Mowgli. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. In the last class we studied Mowgli defeated Kaa the snake and Mowgli won the fight. Then they reached at home. That time Mother Wolf was waiting for them and asked, "Why are you late?" What would be Mowgli's reply? What would be Mowgli's reply? Let's look. Okay, dear children, all of you take your textbook, page number 56. Page number 56. Complete the story by writing the conversation between Mowgli and the mother wolf. Okay, let's complete the conversation. Mother wolf asked, "Why are you late?" Then Mowgli replied, "Kaa, the dangerous snake stopped us. Kaa, the dangerous snake stopped us." Then Mother Wolf asked, "Did he bite you? Did he bite you?" Then Mowgli replied, "No, I taught him a lesson." Okay. Dear children, let's look next page. Page number 57. Now let's read a poem. Nobody's friend. Dear children, now let's read a poem. Poem name Nobody's Friend. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She's nobody's friend. He had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle and he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He's nobody's friend. But I will share all of my sweets with you. My ball and my book and my games I will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend. Dear children, do you understand the poem? Do you enjoy this poem? Yes, this is a poem about three children. The first four lines are about a girl. What were the things she had? What were the things she had? Yes, she had some sweets, a book, and a doll. But she doesn't share her sweets. She doesn't lend her books, and she doesn't let others play with her doll. So, she is nobody's friend. Okay. The next four lines are about a boy. What were the things he had? What were the things he had? Yes, he had toffee, tricycle, and train. But he doesn't give his toffee to anyone. He doesn't lend his tricycle to anybody. And he doesn't let anyone play with his train. So, he is nobody's friend. In the last four lines, the poet speaks as a girl. She tells us that she has some sweets, she has a ball, a book, and games. She has half an apple and half a cake. What does she do with these? What does she do with these? Yes, she shares the sweets with others. She likes to lend her books, ball, and games to other children. She is ready to share the apples and cake with her friends. So, she is everybody's friend. Dear children, among them, who do you like the most? Why? Yes, we like the third one because she shares everything she has with others. Okay, dear children. Dear children, do you share your things with your friends or others? Do you share? Yes, you are good children. Okay, now let's look the activities. Okay, all of you take your textbook page number 58. Activity 1. The good child in the poem is everybody's friend. What kind of a child are you? What kind of a child are you? Complete the following. Okay. I just give an example. I will share all my sweets and fruits with you. I will lend my books and toys to you. I am your friend. This is just an example. You write your own sentences and complete the following. Okay, dear children, let's look next activity. Activity 2. Dear children, Mowgli and his friends saw many fruits in the forest. Let's try to name them. Okay? I show only one example. Yeah, which fruit is this? Yes, orange. You write here orange. Okay, dear children, you write other fruits name here. Okay? Dear children, do you understand today's class? I gave some activities for you. Are you ready? Write these activities in your textbook and notebook also. Okay. Activity 1. Write the conversation between Mowgli and Mother Wolf. Page number 56. Write this activity in your textbook and notebook also. Activity 2. What kind of a child are you? Complete the following. Page number 58. Write this activity in your textbook and notebook also. Activity 3. Write this activity in your textbook only. Page number 58. Mowgli and his friends saw many fruits in the forest. Let's try to name them. Okay, write this activity in your textbook only. Page number 58. Okay, dear students, write this activity in your notebook only. This is a project work. Project work. Prepare a glossary of animals. Classify them into domestic and wild animals. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.